Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to learn about verb phrases, helping verbs, and main verbs. Very easy, extremely easy. So first of all, what is a main verb? What is a verb? So the main verb shows the main action or state of being in a sentence. For example, here, number one, we talked over the phone. Where is the verb here? Where is the verb that shows an action? Talked. So talked is the verb. What did we do? We talked. So talked is the main verb. And remember, main verb, one verb only. Number two, he is brilliant. Is doesn't show action. It shows a state of being. Like I am brilliant. He is brilliant. So is the main verb in this case. Maggie delivers her speech. What does Maggie do? She delivers. So delivers is the main verb. So guys, the main verb shows the main action or a state of being. Like he is smart. I am smart. She is smart. We are smart. The main verb is the important verb in a sentence. Sometimes the main verb stands on its own. For example, here, we talked over the phone. What did we do? Talked. So here I have one verb, the main verb. Maggie delivers her speech. What does Maggie do? She delivers. So delivers is the main verb, the only verb in the sentence. However, sometimes a main verb can also be used with a helping verb. Sometimes another verb known as the helping verb accompanies the main verb. Sometimes the helping verb comes before the main verb. So the main verb sometimes doesn't stand on its own. Now we're going to be talking about helping verbs. Helping verbs. What is a helping verb? The helping verb helps and works with the main verb to tell the action. A helping verb always comes before the main verb. Guys, for example, Congress has passed many laws. Where is the main verb? What is the original verb, the action verb? What does the Congress do? Pass. Or what did the Congress do? Pass. So pass is the main verb here. However, I have another verb before it. It's called a helping verb. So the helping verb comes before the main verb and helps it. So has is the helping verb and past is the main verb. Okay, so past is the main verb and has is the helping verb. We have a lot of helping verbs. Some helping verbs are can, could, is, was, are, were, am, will, would, has, had, have, did, does, do, might, must, may, and so on. For example here, they must ignore the haters. So, what must they do? Ignore. So it is the main verb, the original verb, the action verb, the most important verb is ignore. What do I call the most important verb in a sentence? Main verb. But there's something before the main verb. There's another verb helping the main verb. Must. Must is the helping verb. So you guys have to memorize the helping verbs, all right? So they must ignore the haters. Where is the main verb? Ignore. Why? Because it's the action verb. It's the most important verb in the sentence. They must ignore the haters. Ignore is the main verb and must is the helping verb. Here must comes before ignore. So helping verbs always come before the main verb, not after the main verb, before it. That's a rule. So must, ignore. Must is the helping verb and ignore is the main verb. She is working hard. What is she doing? Working. Where is the original verb? The action verb, the main verb? Working. So working is the main verb. This verb is showing action. It's the most important verb, working. But however, I have another verb helping it. Is. So is working hard. Is the helping verb and working is the main verb. They do study hard. Here I use do for emphasis. I want to stress on the fact that they are studying. So what do? They study. So study is the main verb, the most important verb in the sentence. However, I have another verb helping it, and it's do. What is do? It's a helping verb. Remember, helping verbs always come before the main verb. Sasha has saved the animals. What has Sasha done? She has saved. So saved is the main verb, the most important verb. Has is the helping verb. We will change the rules. Future verb, right? Will change, future verb. So change is the main verb and will is the helping verb. Very easy. So the helping verbs always come before the main verb. What is a verb phrase? So when a verb includes two or more words, it's called a verb phrase. Let's go back. So here, where is the verb will change? So here I have two words, will and change. I have a helping verb and I have a main verb. So I have two words. What do I call it? A verb phrase. So a verb phrase is made up of a helping verb and a main verb. Very easy. For example, citizens are voting for the next president. So sorry. So what are the citizens doing? They are voting. So voting is the main verb, the most important verb in the sentence. It's showing an action. And are is the helping verb. Are is helping the verb. And the helping verb always comes before the main verb. So are is the helping verb and voting is the main verb. Are voting is the verb phrase. So the helping verb and the main verb come together to form the verb phrase. Votes for president on Tuesday. Where is the main verb? Cast. Where is the helping verb? Will. So, okay. So will cast is the verb phrase. Will is the helping verb. Cast is the main verb. Will cast is the verb phrase. Voters must go to their assigned voting location. What is the main verb? The action verb, go. What must the voters do? Go. So go is the main verb. Must is the helping verb. The citizens have elected a new president. Where is the main verb? Elected. What have they done? They have elected. So elected is the most important verb, the main verb. Have is the helping verb. So the helping verb always comes before the main verb. Let's identify the helping verb, main verb, and verb phrase in each sentence. Very easy. Number one, some people would see us. Where is the main verb? Where is the action verb? The most important verb, the verb that is showing an action? See. So see is the main verb. And the helping verb always comes before the main verb, and you should memorize all the helping verbs. Would is the helping verb here. So would is the helping verb, see is the main verb. Would see is the verb phrase. Sam has argued with us. What has Sam done? Argued. So argued is the main verb. And has is the helping verb. It comes before the main verb. Has argued is the verb phrase. They were discussing the problem. What were they doing? Discussing. So discussing is the verb showing an action. Discussing is the main verb, the action verb. Where is the helping verb? Where discussing is the verb phrase. The candidates must convince the voters. What must they do? Convince. So convince is the main verb. Must is the helping verb. Must convince is the verb phrase. Okay? So the verb phrase is made up of a helping verb and a main verb. Helping verb, main verb. Helping verb, main verb. Helping verb, main verb. And the helping verb always comes before the main verb. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please refer back to me and I'll be there to guide you and support you. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.